There's a winter weather advisory that is now in place for most of the Denver metro area for Wednesday, December the 3rd from midnight until 6 p.m. That is for 2 to 7 inches of snow, and I know that is a wide spread there, but the big takeaway here, folks, and I said this earlier on today, is that the Wednesday morning commute is going to be really badly impacted by this snow. Most of the snow will come just before or during that Wednesday morning commute. In Denver, we're looking at 2 to 5 inches of snow for us, higher total south and west of town. But again, most of that will come just before or during that Wednesday morning commute. So I would expect school delays, maybe even a few closures in some spots, and the potential here for snow to linger most of the day on Wednesday as well. It's going to be kind of a cold, snowy day. We won't really break up that snow until afternoon on Wednesday. So again, a pretty impactful storm system. By the way, if you're joining me from the mountains, we will be looking at some snow for us starting tomorrow. As soon as tomorrow morning, we'll have some snow for us in the mountains. That'll continue most of tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night in the high country, and it continues into Wednesday. So pretty big snow event for us in the high country as well. Final note, if you're joining me from Fort Collins, from Greeley, this is a downsloping event for us. So if you're joining me from northern Colorado, you will mostly miss out on this snow, maybe a trace to perhaps an inch or two of snow for you. But you get into the heart of the Denver metro area, 2 to 5 inches of snow, most likely for us in Denver. I always talk about this. Remember, I'm not a divine being. I'm a scientist at heart, and it's probability-based. So I like to look at it from a confidence-based perspective. And confidence-wise, I would say the highest probability, 2 to 5 inches of snow. There is the potential, some models showing 6 inches or more. And of course, this could end up mostly being a due north wind, which would shut out Denver. That could mean we get a trace to an inch of snow, but the most likely scenario, 2 to 5 inches of snow, most of that on Wednesday morning. More details as we get closer.